Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Fujifilm X-T200 from Fujifilm's X series lineup. This is an entry-level camera, but it has some great specs and features. The X-T200 was announced on January 23rd, 2020. However, it was discontinued later that same year, 9 months later to be exact. Fujifilm wanted the X-T200 to compete with Sony's Alpha 6000 series, but it was not able to penetrate that market. For those loyal to the brand and even new potential customers, the X-T200 became a very tempting option as it was heavily discounted, between $200 to $300 off on different websites. I was lucky enough to find one in 2021 from one of our local electronic stores, and since it was on sale, I decided to go for it as I wanted to buy a good camera with a flip screen for a while. This was advertised as Fujifilm's everyday camera due to its small size, being a mirrorless camera, and multiple features that allow you to shoot photos and videos in different scenarios. It's also great for vlogging since it has the flip LCD screen, which allows you to make sure you're always in the frame. The camera does come with a kit lens, the Fujinon XC 15 to 45 mm f3.5 to 5.6. It has optical image stabilization. The lens is made from durable plastic and it's very lightweight. The camera has a 24 megapixels ASPC CMOS sensor with copper wiring structure for better performance and low noise in low light situations. It has a hybrid phase and contrast detection autofocus system, and it can shoot up to 8 frames per second in burst shooting mode. You can also make use of the 3.5-inch 16:9 fully articulating LCD touchscreen with 2.7 million dots to shoot self-portraits or when you want to vlog. Being able to see yourself is basically essential when you want to make sure you're in the frame. In certain situations, you can use the 2.36 million dot OLED viewfinder with 0.62 times magnification. The camera generates, as Fujifilm put it, 4K video by recording 6K video with no crop and downsampling it, which they say results in incredible image quality with very low noise. The 4K video is actually very good. It has a 3.5 microphone jack and a USB-C port, which can be used for charging and audio monitoring with the included USB-C to 3.5 jack dongle, and this is another great feature for people interested in vlogging. It also has auto and manual audio controls for the internal and external mic, and the camera has a new gimbal mode which works only in 1080p as the camera crops in order to stabilize the footage, and this actually works great. It allows for some movement when it comes to shooting handheld video. It also has an HDR mode for video, and this works great in scenarios where you have both bright and dark areas in the frame. So this was a quick introduction to the X-T200. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you again for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the day and see you next time. Goodbye.